Hello friends, how you guys doing today? Welcome to Jumian's channel. In this video, I will be showing you how I wash my synthetic hair braids before I use them. This helps me to prevent itchy scalp from alkaline based braiding hair. All you need is your hair, water and vinegar. Soak the hair in water and add the vinegar to it. Let it sit for about 5 to 20 minutes and rinse the solution off. Do you have scalp itch when you use synthetic hair? I know I'm not the only one. Let me know on the comment section below. If you have any question at all, please leave it on the comment section below and I will surely get back at you. And rinse the solution off of it. I like to rinse the solution off my hair 2 to 3 times before I dry it. I use clothing hangers to hang the hair bundles and I put 2 bundles in one hanger to hair dry. Here is the finished look, and as you can see, there's no damage whatsoever and the hair bundle still retains its shine and softness. Please do not forget to give me a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Love you guys so much. Bye bye. Mwah. XOXO. Bye.